Hey everyone, this is Stephen Casey Railpan here, and today I'm going to be doing a product review of a locomotive. This is actually like a budget-friendly locomotive I have. It's a Bachmann GP38-2 in Norfolk Southern. I believe this was recently released a few years ago because it's like a newer road number. My example is 5314. So I ended up getting this product because for my birthday back on the 16th of November from a family member. So I actually was really surprised I got this. So it looks like a very nice locomotive, so I'm going to be unboxing it and showing you guys what it looks like. So I'm just going to open it out like this. Sorry, it's quite hard. It's quite hard to get it out. The packaging. There we go. And you just lift this up. There's the locomotive right there. So I'll get this locomotive onto the tracks and we'll begin the review. Alright, so starting off with the front of the locomotive. As you can see, the locomotive doesn't have much detail in the front. Like you see no MU hoses or snowplow. It doesn't have any grab irons. And if you zoom in, you can see on the cab it's got windshield wipers molded on. Compared to like other ones like Genesis or Aston Genesis or Scale Trains, they're just simply applied on. And headlights are nicely done. Because I did see some like, some pictures of it, and I thought it was not gonna have the white base, but it actually did. Like the real prototype. The road number is nicely done, even though it's not prototypically correct, because I think it's a different road number font. It says GP38-2 in the bottom. It has no cab interior. Horn is nicely done. The truck's nicely done as well, same as the fuel tank. Paintwork is very nice and crisp. Doesn't have see-through grills and all that. So, moving on. And you can see the rear also doesn't have much detail as well. You can see it doesn't have like rear ditch lights. Doesn't have MU hoses and such. And you can see right here it's got the marker lights. It's still visible. And the number boards are really nicely done as well. Really impressive. So now I'm going to turn the locomotive side around. As you can see, same here. It's got, as you can see, lots of good detail here, and I think it does not come with a bell on the near the fuel tank. That's correct. Absolutely very nice. Even for a budget-friendly locomotive. Wow. This is absolutely nicely done. So now we're gonna run the locomotive and see how it runs. It's a bit noisy, but it really doesn't matter, but even for a Bachmann locomotive. As you can see love the headlights on it. So, anyways, that's actually going to be my review of the Bachmann GP30-2 in the Norfolk Southern Library, number 5314. So, my personal opinion, even though this is a budget-friendly locomotive, I really do like Bachmann for, because Bachmann's like a good starter line for beginners and such. And this is actually it's still fine detailed, and I really do like it even for the price. It's like you can get these for cheaper deals, but and all that, like you can get them for like under $110 and such. But this is still a great looking locomotive. I'll definitely be able to use these like in operating sessions, usually for like NS112, because usually on 112 in real life I see like the standard cap EMDs trailing, or even high hoods sometimes. So I thought this would be perfect, and also on the NS locals as well. So anyways, that's going to be a wrap for this review. I hope you guys enjoyed this review of the Bachmann GP38-2, and I'll see you guys next time.